Alright y'all, this is just a quick video on how to get on iStation. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you're using Google Chrome. You want to make sure that you're logged in with your school account, and then you're going to go over here to ClassLink, or if there's a different way you get to ClassLink, you can also go to that link right there, https://launchpad.classlink.com /RoundRock RRISD. So for me, it's bookmarked, right? I can just click on it, or if you got a different way to get a class link, you want to do that. It'll probably ask you to sign on. You'll sign on just like normal, as if you're going to Schoology, but this time you're going to click on iStation. When you click on iStation, it should launch, just like you've seen in the files in Schoology, or the file in this email. If for whatever reason it asks you to log in or it says launch failed, then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here, you're going to type in iStation Chrome Web Store, you're going to go there, click there, you want to come to this page and it should say something like install, and once you've installed it, then it'll say launch app, and you can actually go ahead and launch it here, or what works even better is you just close this again, come back and click here again, and it should launch just the way you need it to. Alright, once you get into iStation, just like in the slides that we're going to look at, you will go to reading and then iSIP.